Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to elevate your fitness routine right from the comfort of your own home, today's video is just for you. We are diving into the top 7 home exercise bikes for 2024, each designed to enhance your cardio workouts and bring gym-level intensity to your living room. Whether you are aiming for a low-impact ride or a high-intensity session, we have got something for everyone. Let's jump into it and find the perfect bike to boost your fitness journey. First up, we have the pooboo exercise bike for home cardio, a versatile and efficient option for those serious about their fitness goals. This bike features a steady frame design to support intense workouts while providing a stable and safe ride. The adjustable resistance system allows you to customize your workout intensity whether you are looking for a gentle ride or a rigorous challenge. One of the standard features of the pooboo exercise bike is its comfortable padded seat, which can be adjusted both horizontally and vertically to suit various body types and riding positions. This adjustability ensures a personalized fit and promotes better posture during workouts. The bike also includes a large, easy-to-read LCD monitor that tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you stay motivated and on track with your fitness goals. The pooboo bike is designed with a smooth, belt-driven mechanism that provides a quiet and smooth ride, making it ideal for home use. Its compact design means it won't take up too much space, and the built-in transport wheels make it easy to move around as needed.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Paddle Exerciser, a compact and effective solution for a full body workout at home. This paddle exerciser is designed to be used while seated, making it a great option for those who prefer a low-impact exercise that still provides a challenging workout. The compact size allows you to easily store it under a desk or in a corner, making it perfect for home or office use. The Sunny Health and Fitness Paddle Exerciser features adjustable resistance settings so you can tailor the intensity of your workout to your fitness level. The resistance knob is easy to use and allows for smooth transitions between different levels of difficulty. The non-slip paddles ensures a secure grip during exercise, while the steady base provides stability to prevent any wobbling or shifting. Despite its small size, the paddle exerciser is built with a robust construction that can handle regular use. It includes an LCD monitor that displays your workout time, distance, and calories burned, helping you keep track of your progress. Next up at number 3, we have a YOSUDA folding exercise bike. The YOSUDA folding exercise bike is a third pack, offering a space-saving design without compromising on functionality. This folding bike is perfect for those who need a versatile exercise solution that can be easily stowed away when not in use. Its foldable design allows you to quickly collapse it into a compact size, making it ideal for small living spaces or for those who need a bike that can be tucked away after workouts. This exercise bike features a high-quality steel frame that provides durability and stability during use. The bike is equipped with an adjustable resistance system, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. The smooth magnetic resistance mechanism ensures a quiet and smooth ride, making it suitable for home use without disturbing others. The YOSUDA folding exercise bike includes a comfortable, adjustable seat that can be tailored to fit various body types and riding preferences. The bike also features an LCD monitor that tracks your time, distance, speed, and calories burned, providing you with valuable workout data. The number 4 position is held by MERACH Recumbent exercise bike. The MERACH Recumbent exercise bike is designed for those who prefer a more comfortable and supportive workout experience. This recumbent bike features a reclining seat with a backrest, providing extra support for your low back and ensuring a comfortable ride throughout your workout. The seat is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect position to your body size and riding style. This exercise bike is equipped with a smooth magnetic resistance system that offers a quiet and consistent ride. The resistance can be easily adjusted to accommodate various fitness levels, from beginners to advanced riders. The MERACH Recumbent bike also includes a large LCD display that shows your workout metrics, including time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you stay motivated and track your progress. The bike's ergonomic design and user-friendly controls make it easy to use, while its steady construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The recumbent position provides a low-impact workout that is easy on the joints, making it an excellent choice for those with joint issues or for anyone looking for a comfortable exercise option. The number 5 position is dominated by the Niceday Recumbent exercise bike, a feature-packed option that combines comfort with performance. This recumbent bike is designed with a large comfortable seat and backrest that provides excellent support during your workouts. The seat is adjustable, allowing you to find the ideal position for your body size and ensuring a comfortable ride. The Niceday Recumbent bike features a magnetic resistance system with 8 levels of resistance, allowing you to tailor your workout intensity to your fitness level. The bike operates smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for home use. It also includes a multifunctional LCD monitor that tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, providing valuable feedback on your performance. This exercise bike is built with a steady frame that supports a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, making it a durable and reliable choice for various users. The bike's ergonomic design includes adjustable pedals and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to operate and customize your workouts. Next up at number 6, we have Caromix Folding Exercise Bike. This bike is designed to offer a convenient and efficient workout experience while saving space. This folding bike features a compact design that allows you to easily store it away when not in use, making it perfect for small apartments or homes with limited space. The folding mechanism is simple to operate, allowing you to quickly collapse the bike and store it out of sight. The Caromix bike is equipped with a smooth magnetic resistance system that offers 8 levels of resistance, providing a range of workout intensities to suit different fitness levels. The resistance can be easily adjusted using a simple dial, ensuring a customizable workout experience. The bike also features a comfortable padded seat that can be adjusted to fit various body types, as well as large no-slip pedals for secure footing. A key feature of the Caromix Folding Exercise Bike is its LCD monitor, which displays essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. This monitor helps you track your progress and stay motivated during the workouts. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the HARISON Magnetic Brake Pad Exercise Bike, a versatile and high-performance option that combines magnetic and brake pad resistance systems. This bike offers a unique hybrid resistance system that allows you to switch between magnetic and brake pad resistance, providing a range of workout intensities and a customizable exercise experience. The HARISON bike features a heavy-duty steel frame that ensures stability and durability during use. The adjustable resistance system allows you to fine-tune the intensity of your workouts, while the smooth operation of the magnetic resistance ensures a quiet and efficient ride. The bike also includes a comfortable adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing you to find the perfect riding position. An integrated LCD monitor displays essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you keep track of your performance. The HARISON exercise bike is designed with a user-friendly interface and a steady build, making it a reliable choice for both casual and serious cyclists. And there you have it, a top 7 home exercise bike to boost your fitness routine in 2024. Each of these bikes offers unique features and benefits to help you achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness gear reviews and tips. Keep pedaling and stay fit.